Hey everyone, welcome to class 4. We're almost halfway done. I can't really believe it. That's crazy. So in today's class, we will cover the second step in the design thinking process, which is define. And so this is really where we'll be able to begin to dive deep into understanding sort of what issues, pain points, and problems we're trying to solve. So remember last week's class where we created these personas and everything and kind of identified pain points, problems, or issues that our users may face. Now is when we kind of start to dive deep into those problems. And essentially, we'll be creating a framework to start brainstorming ideas with. That's really what the point of this is about, and to really, really start to think critically about everything regarding this project. And I know a lot of you are super eager to begin thinking about how to build your project and how to execute everything in the design process. But remember that this class is primarily for the strategy portion. And so we'll be thinking about really everything to make sure that this is going to be the best design possible. The way I like to think about it is kind of like a house. And right now we're laying down the super solid foundation so that we can then construct the house afterwards. So first off, just like last week, I liked how we did the video. I think that that's a pretty good option. So you can hear someone else's voice and hear someone else talk about it as well. So first off, we will watch another video. It's another TED Talk. So it's by a design engineer named Jordan Robert, and she really talks about defining the problem. And her job is like really about building materials to design things with, and is super engineering related. Anyway, it's an interesting and analytical and really in-depth look at defining the problem and how you can spend a little or a lot of time thinking about this. And it's really up to you for how long you want to work on this part. It's kind of like a make or break part of the project as well. Jordan also goes into the a failed project, so that will really put things into perspective for how important this section is. Um, and for this class's assignment, we're going to cover 3 different pain points and the first step to these solutions as to lead us into the following class, which will be the ideate and brainstorm stage. So without further ado, let's begin.